Okay, so today's topic is to create quiz in Python. Okay, the quiz has two users, admin and student. Okay, the admin will create the quiz and the student will appear the quiz, like that. So if I start with the student here, it will show me the error that the quiz is not ready yet. So let's log in with the admin and create the quiz first. Admin 1 2 3. Let's add the questions here. Yeah, the questions created, 2 questions of Python and 2 questions of C. Right, let's copy paste it. Just it's the topic is Python, and enter the difficulty level. Choose 1 for easy, choose 2 to medium, choose 3 for hard. Okay, let's choose medium. Enter the option. Enter the options? The option A, the option 1 is this. Okay, the correct option is first one. Okay, yes, I want to add one more. Let's add the next one from C. Okay, the topic is C. The question difficulty level is easy. Enter the options as A, capital B, team. Okay, let's and the correct answer is second one. Okay, let's add one more from the Python one. Okay, and I will show you one more here as I want to add one. Okay, here the topic name as I entered here as a Python. Okay, it's not case sensitive here. Okay, you can type Python here, or you can like Python here, like this, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's continue. Let it be the level hard. Okay, enter the options as E, blank space, none of the upper. The blank space is the correct answer, means it is the third option. Okay, I don't want to add one more question, so let's skip it. Okay, these are the options I will show you after the student portal, after the end of student portal. Okay, let's go to the student portal and give the quiz. Okay, exit from here and log in to student. My name is Neha Vaidya. Neha@gmail.com. Okay, it shows me that easy questions has a 5 marks, carry 5 marks, medium question carry 10 marks, hard question carries 20 marks. Let's start the quiz. Okay, let me the one, let me the third one, this one. Okay, after this quiz, this is the quiz. Okay, after this quiz, it shows me the correct answers of the quizzes. Okay, if you have seen here, I have added first the Python one, then I have added the C one, and after that I added Python one. But it doesn't matter here. Okay, the Python one will appear together and the C one will appear together. Okay, you can add as many as topics here. Okay, as many as topics here and as many as questions in the topic. Okay, so let's check from the admin end that how can we view in the viewer board. Okay, okay, let's see the scoreboard here. Okay, you can see that I have the scoreboard here, my name Nihar Vaidya, my email and my percentage is here. Okay, so let's log in from appear from another name also, another student name. Let me be my friend Shiram Venki@gmail.com. Okay, let's start the quiz. Okay, he scored 15 out of 35. Okay, let's go to the admin and also again view the scoreboard here. 1 2 3. Display questions, clear quiz, and scoreboard is appeared here. Let's get the scoreboard. His name is added here, and email and percentage also. Okay, let's the admin also display his created quizzes like this, doesn't matter. Okay, the main important point is here is clear quiz. Okay, how do we use if admin wants to create a new quiz? So he will clear this quiz first, right? So I have added this option clear quiz. Okay, let's try it. And okay, now I show that it is clear. How can I show you that? Do you remember that in the first, if the quiz is not created, the student have any login with the student, it will show the error that quiz is not ready yet. This will show again if we clear the quiz. Okay, this is my code and this is my execution. I will explain you the code right now. Okay. It's a basic code. I just created the data types here, the topics as list. The questions will be added in the dictionaries, the options dictionaries and all. Okay, the init function will call the self menu function first. Okay, this one. The function will ask for enter your role, admin, student or exit. Okay, in that manner it will call the another functions and we will be running that functions. Okay, so the admin, this is the admin part. It will check check the user name and password. If the username and password and admin is not admin and admin 123, it will not run. Okay, so define admin menu is the part where we show you that do you want to add question, do you want to display a question, do you want to clear a quiz, that part. Okay, it will also cause different functions here after selecting the options. Okay, so what the clear quiz one, just what does it does, the one data types which are filled with the datas, it will just nullify them. Okay, it will case the empty list, will do the empty list of them. Okay, simple. The scoreboard ones, I have just used the text formatting here. I'll just some type, and the define add quiz here will add the questions from the admin side into the data here. Okay, so let me show you. The total marks will show the total marks in the end of the submission of your quiz. It will show that Nihar got 100 out of 35, 35 out of 100, such that he got 90 out of 100. The 100 marks that we counted, that it was the total marks, and the total marks here. The student that we use for while taking the quiz, the whole function is here. Okay, it will take your name, it will take your email, it will just append this information in the student data, and the student responses are that what are the responses are given, is what the answers they are given. It will check the answers with the answers that admin has given. If it doesn't matches it, it will not add the marks to it. Okay, it will just append this value 0, or else it will append the value that was actually there. Because if it was marks of 10, it will get 10 if he was right. If it's not right, so it will just append 0, means it will append 0 marks there. Okay, then this is the part of correct answers here that we have shown you. After the submission, the students will the admin will show them the whatever this correct answer for your current quiz here also. Okay, this result will be stored in the data, and after that the scoreboard has shown us, right? The display data was for this, the display function was for the admin side, just to view his quiz from his side only. Okay, so this is the data and this is the use case. So this is the use case. The admin will create the quiz, the admin can display the quiz, the admin can clear the quiz, the admin can use the scoreboard, and the student will attempt the quiz that is created by the admin, and then it will send his marks to the scoreboard also. Okay, so this is the basic code, and thank you so much.